Yeah. That sounds good. Okie dokie. Okay. Okay, we'll talk to you later. Goodbye. Yeah, right when you don't want to have a phone conversation, but it's an important one that you need to take. That train that went south was a 3-engine train. This is a 4-engine train. This may be a long train. This could be a mid-engine train too, with 4 engines on the front. Or it could have one at the back, 1 or 2 at the back. We'll see. We're sitting here in Emerson, Georgia, and we've been sitting here waiting for it. Got another fella over there videoing. A lot of traffic going up and down Georgia 293. Really turned into a busy road. Lake Point Sports and all the development around here turned little Emerson, Georgia into a nightmare for the residents. It's only going to get worse. The dam is broke. The valley's being flooded. We'll have a good bit of good train graffiti with this one. Getting pictures of these boxcars as they're slow to get going. We're getting high definition video, so we'll be able to zoom in and get good pictures. These boxcars are some of the high-top boxcars too. They're taller than standard. Boy, this train were to build up some speed and have a derailment, boy, that would be something, wouldn't it? There's a lot of weight on this train. traffic is distracting, isn't it? You can roll the window up. Should have already done that. Doesn't seem like he's building any speed. He'll have to go through Cartersville slow. Cartersville's to our left. We're sitting right dead in Emerson. I can't tell if there's anything in those car carriers or not. Coming from the south, it would make sense coming out of the Savannah ports. But I can sort of see through them. I don't think there's anything in them. What y'all want to eat? I'm hungry. We could get varsity tonight. A hamburger, chili dog, a ring, and a peach pie run us $15, $16. Going up like crazy. We may do that though. I haven't had a varsity in a long time. I got one right up here, right down the road up here at Lake Point Sports, all that stuff. We're right here at Doug's. We could get something at Doug's. Well, this train's been running 8.5 minutes, but it is slow. Union Pacific car. Okay, here's the end coming. Another Union Pacific at the tail end. Okay, let's turn these off.